Alright, what up, everyone? What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken Koya Swirls? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here, as always. Appreciate everyone. Please smash that like button, please. Thank you. Alright, let's read some comments. Is it safe to short SMMT? CSOM Ty? Not sure. I did see SMMT get wrecked today. Not really sure why, but, sure, we could take a look at those. Swirl says I want to short SMMT too, but I just don't know because there was some sort of discounted offering where existing shareholders can buy shares at 103. They holding SMMT because of the offering coming up where they can buy discounted shares. No one can buy the discounted shares at 103 if you do not hold shares of yesterday. The record date is February 6th, 2023, but you need to buy shares yesterday. Okay. Interesting. This is news to me. Let me see here. So is there news? Why did this get wrecked so hard today? Alright, $500 million rights offering expires. Okay. So that's pretty bearish. I'm not seeing anything about this, Oh, okay, I see. Alright, so I see. They offered rights for $500 million. I see. Alright, I understand now. So, I mean, let me look at the chart. Let's, kind of hot in here. Alright, SMMT. I think I shorted this one back here and I got squeezed out. I got squeezed out somewhere here, I think, to be honest. Anyway, I personally would not short this. You guys can if you want. Do it at your own risk. Here comes the siren, guys. My apologies. Gonna talk over it. So there is a gap up at 80 cents. So this should come back down to 80 at some point. But RSI is at 43. And there's a gap down now. And this already went down 19% today. So I think in the longer term, this will continue to pull back. But I don't expect any, like, you know, super fat tendies immediately. Don't expect any crazy price action, I would say. So it is a decent short, I'll say that, but not the greatest short play, in my opinion. So personally, I would stay away from it. I'm not saying it's bad, but I'd look for a better opportunity, personally. So you guys can short it. It's definitely not a bad play, but, you know, it's definitely not a great play. Let's put it that way. And just from experience, if the record date is February 6th, probably right before that, like now, and right after that, it's gonna tank. So, if I had to choose one, I'd definitely say short. I'm not gonna go for it. I don't think it's the greatest short, but sure, go for it, guys. Good luck. Now, financial advice. I'll short SMMT and buy covered calls. You can't do that, dude. You can't short and then you can't buy covered calls. First of all, you can only sell covered calls, and you can't sell covered calls against your shorted shares. So you can short and then buy calls to hedge. You can do that, but I don't think anyone here has ever hedged. To be honest with you, I've not seen any ape in here ever hedge, except for myself. So I doubt that's what you're trying to do, but not exactly sure what you're trying to accomplish there. I want to short Vino. We'll get to that. I did short Vino, and I got stopped out for a gain, but I did get stopped out. Cal Mooning. It may be too late to short Vino, to be honest, dude. Cal mooning. Yeah, I did see that. Halt right before the market closed, but not sure why. There's no news. Any post-market movers, Ty? Not as of right now. Oh, yeah, there is. Cal. Yeah, Cal. That's it. KAL. Oh, there's BRQS too. Alright, so, let's see got some plays here right now. Not much action. BRQS, no news, and Cal is the big runner. KAL. No news there either. Actually, is there news? No shares. Um. Alright, so I guess there was news. The company said it expects to close the divestment of Vindara by the end of Q1. Alright, well, the good enough for me, I guess. I guess I'm gonna go for it. Whoa. What the hell? I did not see this earlier today. When did this go to 13? Whoa. Really? When did that happen? Bruh. um. Alright, well, there's no shares, and, I'm not gonna go for it. I did not know this went to 13 today. You heard Kyrie Irving wants to get traded today? No, I did not hear that. But not surprised at all. For what? Why? Nits are good. You're gonna long it, bro? I would not recommend that, but sure, go ahead. Good luck. You need to start posting YouTube shorts. You can start getting paid this month. Yeah, I have to get back on that. I mean, I don't really care much anymore, to be honest. YouTube barely pays anything, and I mean, it's something, but I want to get a couple bucks. Alright, cool. No shares. Yeah, for shorting, there's shares on the long side. You said you're gonna long it, right? You need to franchise with Mr. Rara Coco. Yeah, if I want to ruin my reputation permanently, right? And get my financial license, my financial advising license revoked for saying terrible things on the internet. Okay. So let's get back to the intro here. So just took a quick break to live Rainbow Bear. All right, let's finish up with the intro, guys. All right, so it is Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Happy Friday, guys. Yeah, not a great way to end the week. Today we are doing the show from Ramenistan. Ramenistan. Go. Pretty nasty day here today. I mean, I'm not surprised. We've been running like crazy the past few weeks, so healthy pullback here. Healthy pullback, but kind of sucks regardless. That's alright. Hey, myself, as a Rainbow Bear, did really good today, so I'm certainly not complaining. But I hope you guys made some fat tendies as well. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Live Rainbow Bearing, all that good stuff. Today we only have 3 articles. One about Logan Paul, one about Binance, and one about the jobs report today, unemployment. So Not too many articles, not much news going on, but kind of important stuff, especially the unemployment numbers. And then there's actually not much to analyze today for the TA. Really, the only thing to analyze is RSLS. That's the only thing in the double digits today. So yeah, as of right now, just RSLS and anything else you guys want me to look at, but not much to analyze here today on the TA. Maybe we'll do Amazon, but yeah, not much price action here today. So that should go pretty quickly. The TA, quick TA, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. We have 7 Yolos today, so that should be pretty quick as well. So yeah, not much content for you guys today. Pretty boring day. Not much going on. But you know, got a great show for you guys regardless. So yeah, we should probably be going about an hour and a half today. We'll see. Friday is the best day for streaming, but today is a bloodbath, so I don't expect too many people to be in here. But yeah, not much content, so we should go no longer than an hour 30 today. Maybe even like an hour. We'll see. But alright, let's get started, guys. Appreciate everyone for being here. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. Post homeless short video on YouTube. You get it. You get a lot of views. Kroger Guy had a lot of viewers. Homeless short. You know what? That's pretty funny because that is true. I actually watched those. I watched Soft White Underbelly. That's a really good channel. And there's these other like copycat channels now that, because I think he does LA, Skid Row, and there's like some other channels that do like Philly and New York now. It's true. you interview people harder than their luck, and it gets a lot of views. Bro, quick TA on Tesla put. Sure, dude. Don't really recommend doing that, but all right. Lazy Kroger Guy just posts homeless short video, but he doesn't want to get out of his crappy apartment, but he can afford it since he's making 6 figures income. That's smart, dude. Just because you make more money doesn't mean you should spend more money. In fact, you should save more money so you can make more money by investing it. You know, I do pretty good for myself. I don't live in a fancy apartment. I don't drive a fancy car. Well, I have a fancy car, I just don't drive it. So that's pretty smart to me, to be honest. How do you screen market movers, Ty, if something is mooning? I'll show you right now. Cal going beast mode. If it keeps going, I will short it, yes. Alright, it's honestly not going that crazy, but yeah, some decent price action here. Alright, let's get on with the show, guys. Alright, so Koya. You use TD, right? You have to use it. Like, I don't know what you guys are doing if you're day trading and you're not using Thinkorswim. So, yes, Thinkorswim, you go scan, the scan tab up here, right? Scan. And you want to set this to study after hour percent change, okay? Study after hour percent change. Scan. You do Robinhood and IBKR? Alright, you definitely can't do this with Robinhood. You can with IBKR, but to be honest, it's not... Like, I love IBKR for executing the trades, but it's not the greatest research platform. So that's why I like using TD, Thinkorswim, to do my research, and I use IBKR to actually execute the trades. So make an account on TD, dude. It's free. You don't need to put money in. Make an account. You go here. Scan tool. After hours, percent change, scan. Boom. That's it. That's it. Cork guy investing his money order. Amazon, drink coffee, and get drunk all the time. Alright, well, sounds like he's doing pretty good for himself, so I'm happy for him. He's enjoying life. Alright, welcome, Koya. Is Thinkorswim free day trade? No, there's no such thing as... What do you mean free day trade? Yes, trades are free. You mean, do they limit you? Yes, dude. All of them do. You need 25k for a pattern day trade. The Weeble, I'm not sure about Weeble. I actually have never used Weeble, but no. TD is the best. You have to use TD. Like, you have to. I don't know what you guys are doing if you're not using Thinkorswim. If you're day trading. Like, you're just costing yourself money if you're not using Thinkorswim. What up, Mark? What's up? Can you look at Mullen chart, please? Sure. You need to post biggest losers on Wall Street Bets. I bet you got lots of viewers on YouTube Shorts. Dude, to be honest, I don't even really care about YouTube like that anymore. I do the show every day, but I put in so much time on YouTube. I barely make any money. So I do the show. I don't got time to... I need to hire someone. That's what I need to do to handle my social media, because I just be doing too much. But yeah, YouTube is like the least of my priorities, to be honest. Takes up a lot of my time, and I get no money for this. So, barely any money. WeBear? Oh, I get it. You're trolling. Use WeBear. Alright. We got something here. ELYS. No news. You can hire people for my subscriber. I'd rather hire someone with professional experience. Yeah. I hire a subscriber with professional experience. And honestly, probably not, because the way you got to do it is you hire someone from Morocco or Africa who will do the job for literally like a tenth of the pay. So that's probably not an option, no. If I do hire someone, it's going to be someone from another country. Yes, I'm talking about my YouTube channel. If I hire someone, it's going to be from a different country. It's not going to be a subscriber. Or it could be a subscriber from a different country who is professionally skilled. Thank you, Mark. Yes, if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so ELYS. I have no idea why this is moving. But sure. Maybe you could hire an English guy with an awesome English accent. That would be cool. That would be cool. Just too expensive, so that's not going to happen. No, I just need a video editor, if anything. I don't even need someone to like do voiceovers. I just need someone with good editing skills. Alright, we'll come back to this. Alright, let's get to my place today. Trade, here we go. Alright, I need to update this. Alright, RSLS. SBIG. Gene. Sai. Do. AIHS. Okay, cool. My place today, guys. So 11 plays today. And I covered most of them already. All right, let's run down the list. So, SPRB down 4.3% today, up 150. BWEN down 8.45%, up 335. BGXX. I don't know what happened here today. This went up 20%, and I lost 330 on that today. Not really sure why it went up. Oh. Okay. Issue statement of intent of illegal short selling activity. So they claim they're going to fight short selling. When did they do that? 12? Maybe I should have covered when they dropped this news, huh? I did not even see that news. Oh, that's my fault. BGXX. Alright, so they dropped the news at 12:21. Alright, yep. So they announced it and then it shut up. I see. But it's right back to where it was, so not really. So still holding on to this. Anyway, that's yeah, up 20% today, down 310 there. RSLS shorted at 17.25, now at 15.30, so up 255 there. SBIG shorted at 115, covered at 103, so made 220 there. BPTS, I don't know what I shorted there at, but I covered at 60, made a couple hundred there. GMBD covered at 380, made a couple hundred there. All right, so these I got pissed about. So GNE, GENE. So I got a really good entry there. So I got in at 280. Excellent entry. And they had an offering. So I was up 1K on that. And I had the order in to cover at 141. And I'm not going to cry conspiracy, but let me show you guys something. So the offering came here, right? I had the order in for 141. This tanked all the way down to 142. Literally 142. And went right back up. So, yeah, I'm not going to scream conspiracy, but I'm convinced that the hedge funds has the order book, and they saw my huge order, my huge buy order for 141, and they're like, oh, hell no. And then they front ran me. And so, yeah, so I didn't get filled on that, because I'm quite confident the hedge funds had my order book, and it was like, nope. So, yeah, that's unfortunate. I was literally 1 cent away from cashing out a huge payday. And then and then it started mooning, and then I got scared, and then I just exited at 2, which I probably should not have done. I should have just diamond handed and because it's probably gonna keep going down next week, so I probably should have held. But yeah, I covered here at 2, so in at 280, covered at 2, made like $600 here over that. So I'm not complaining too much, but yeah. And same thing happened with VINO. Vino, so excellent entry here. I got in at... Actually, I got in at 5 yesterday. And then this tanked down to... Yeah, tanked down to 3, and then same thing. In the morning, it mooned, started squeezing. I set a stop loss for 4. I still made money though, cause made 400, cause I was in at 5. But yeah, set a stop loss for 4. Literally hit 405. I was so mad about this. It hit 405 and went right back down. So again, covered the top there. Not happy. I could have made another 400 if I just. I literally covered the top. I'm so mad about that. So I made 400 here, but I could have made 800. Never fails, you know? Like, I'm just so convinced the market makers, the hedge funds, know what I'm doing. They have the order book. They know what's up. It just really seems like that sometimes. Anyway, so yeah. Made 400 here, but could have made it. Shoulda and coulda made 800. And then some random stuff here. SIDU. I think I was in at 58, covered at 46, made 400, like 450. SNOA covered at 160, made like 200 there, and AIHS shorted 115, covered at 103, made 200 there. So overall, you know, I did really, really good today, but I did leave about I'm gonna say I left about $600 here on the table, which I'm kind of upset about. But hey, you know, that's how it goes. Not perfect, and I'm certainly not complaining. So I overall I made 2,200 today, 2.2K. So not complaining at all. I did really good, but hey, I should have made 600 more anyway. Congrats to myself. So, crazy week. So Monday, literally, one of my worst losses ever on a single stock. I think I lost like 6K on Monday. I was like, holy crap. And then I was like, here we go again. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I made like 2K each day. So overall on the week, I'm up 3K. Started down 6K, made it back, and then now I finish up 3K for the week. So crazy price action. Hey, I am not complaining. Damn, SBIG pulling back here. I should have held everything, dude. Should have held VINO, GNE, man, whatever. So our SLS is pulling back nicely here post market, and so is BGXX. ELYS close offering. Yeah, I see that. But they wow, it's going up quite a bit, huh? Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go for this. 105. All right. Yep. I'm definitely going for this. Probably no shares, but definitely going for this. 203. All right, let's see if I can get this. I'll put in the order for 175. I'll take anything 150 and above, really. All right, order in for ELYS. It's pulling back quickly. All right, cool. Yeah, major price action there, ELYS. So KAL and ELYS, aftermarket movers here. And we got another one. And another one. All right, ASTC. Awarded NASA operating. All right, that's pretty legit. And then JZXN. No news there. Don't know why that's mooning, but JZXN is mooning. But let's go for ASTC. Let's see this. Damn, just went down to 175. Alright, gotta adjust. Alright. Well, I'll take anything 147 and higher here. Alright, ASTC. Let's check that one out. ASTC. $12.62. Alright. I doubt it's gonna get here, but we'll put in the order for 1767 on this one. Okay. Cool. Alright, RSLS is doing very nicely here. TikTok gambling. 2-person got arrested running illegal business at casino. If we have time later, we'll look at that, dude. We're falling pretty behind here. What up, Noah? What's up? Kyrie Irving wants a trade since he wants extensions. I will dump him and get nothing. Since he is not worth money, I will give other team to deal with headaches. Well, why don't you just give him the extension then? Well, you need, you need clauses in there because this guy's crazy, but you should probably just offer him an extension. Alright, what is up with JZXN? It's a Chinese company here. Yeah, I don't know why that's mooning. Some shady stuff going on there. Anyway, guys, we'll come back to this. He wants a max contract, but he will only play 40 games per year. Well, you can't even trade him because no other team is in their right mind is gonna pay him that. So, offer an extension if he doesn't take it. Whatever. All right. Let's get on to watch list. We are falling very behind here today. RSLS might be a good short. Dude, I'm already in here at 1750, so I'm way ahead of you, dude. Way ahead of you there. Already shorted that. Okay. Did I just see something? No. Alright, let's get on to crypto and... Oh, my bad. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Not crypto. Let's get onto the watch list. Okay. We gotta speed it up. We are 40 minutes in and very behind. So, gotta take a drink and try to speed it up a little bit here. Up 170%. Awesome. Awesomeness. Good. Good much. Good much time. Thank you. Watch this time. Yes. Gonna be very short watch this time today. Alright, let's do it. Why am I lagging? All right. Dow Jones down 3.38%. Nasdaq down 1.79%. Super good. And the VIX is, or excuse me, and SPY is down 1.06%. So, yeah, pretty bearish day here today. But, you know, to be expected. Seems like healthy pullback from the absolute crazy bull run we've been getting this year. So the VIX is down 2.14%, down 0.4 points. So we're at 18.33 VIX now. I don't know why the VIX went down. That's really weird, but not complaining. So yeah, really good VIX there. Yeah, let's check it out. So we'll start on the green side. So honorable mention, Mullen. 7%. Other than that, not much going on. There's Apple, 2.44% from earnings yesterday. Tesla, 0.91%. Yeah, really not much in the green here. Mostly value, but not much price action. So, pretty bearish day. Not much in the green. And let's go on the red side. So, literally everything's in the red. So, we'll run down this quickly. Wow, looks like crypto stocks getting pretty wrecked here. There's MGAM pulling back. Yeah, crypto stocks getting wrecked. Marathon, Riot, Coinbase, Amazon getting wrecked, 8.43%. That's because they had earnings, bad earnings. Ford getting wrecked, 7.6%. Yeah, a lot of growth up here. Wow, silver went down 4.6%. What the hell? This is some pretty bad price action. Starbucks went down 4.5%. Google 3.3%. Nvidia 2.8%. Yeah, Microsoft 2.4%. Target 2.4%. T-Mobile, Disney $2 range, or excuse me, 2% range. Yeah, and then a whole bunch of value below that. So, yeah, this is pretty bad, pretty bad. Not much in the green, pretty much everything in the red. And, yeah, meme stocks, growth getting absolutely wrecked. And even value is getting wrecked as well. Everything's down like 2%. So, yeah, overall, this is pretty bad. This is a bloodbath today for sure. A little bit deceiving. I thought the index would be worse. The indexes would be worse than this, but yeah, bloodbath today. So, really the only people winning today are the Rainbow Bears. Pat myself on the back there. So, yeah, bloodbath sucks. Hope you guys somehow made money. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. What up, Machete? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright. Still trying to get HSCS and ELYS. ASTC is up to 16 now, though. So this might actually fill. We'll see. Who knows? Alright, 1 second here, guys. Let me pull up crypto and the news today. Alright, loading up. And why did I not just hold? Alright, let's do crypto here. So crypto's down 1.15% today. So not that bad in crypto. You know, pretty standard day in crypto. Slightly bearish. Let's check it out. So we got Bitcoin down 1.5%. Still holding 23K. Ether down 0.5%. Binance up 0.6%. Doesn't appear like there's that much price action. Polkadot 5%. Solana's down. Avalanche down. What is this? I hate it when it does this. Doesn't like correctly load all the coins. Let's sort this out. Alright, let's see here. Internet is super slow today. Alright, so it literally looks like it's pretty 50-50 between green and red. Why is this still loading, dude? Okay, better. So it appears like a little confusing, actually. Yeah, it's pretty 50-50. Green and red, it appears like. But on the green side, so we got 2 coins in the double digits, Terra Classic and Magic. I don't see much value. Just Polkadot, Cosmos, Ether Classic. Yeah, not much going on. Green side. That's decent, I guess. So, decent amount of coins in the green, just not much price action and not much value. This is really confusing. Why is... This can't be right. No way. No way, no way. What? Is CoinMarketCap correct? There's no way this can be correct. Let's see here. It is right. What? This is really weird. How are there more coins in the green and more price action on the green side, but crypto is down? What? I'm confused. No, there must be more red than green here. There must be. Yeah, but CoinMarketCap's all type of messed up. Alright, so I can kind of see it. That there are more coins in the red than the green here. There's like 60% red. Yeah, more like 70% red. 30% green. So I guess it makes sense. Just a little weird, because there's not much price action on the red side. Biggest loser is Rocket Pool, 4.6%. And I guess there's decent value, but... yeah, more price action on the green side. I guess it makes sense. So, yeah, more price action on the green side, but more coins in the red. So overall, slightly bearish, but... This is kind of weird. A little deceiving to me. You would think that the green side was... You would think that today was more bullish, just looking at the... percent changes here, but... Alright, whatever. So, slightly bearish day here in crypto, so... yeah, bearish day stock market, slightly bearish day crypto. Overall, good. So, the only people winning today really are the Rainbow Bears, so... Yep, sucks, but, you know, healthy pullback. It'll be alright, guys. Hang in there. And congrats to all the Rainbow Bears. Alright, cool. Let's get on to the articles. The U.S., along with the G7, is slapping 2 more price caps on Russian refined petroleum products after implementing a cap on Russian oil prices last year. U.S. job growth blew past expectations first month of the year as labor market. Yeah, getting ahead of me here. We'll get to the job growth. Oh, you got it all there. So I guess you guys can read it out there. Thank you for that, Mark. Very useful information there. Friday shock numbers marked a sharp jump from the prior month, which saw payrolls. Yeah, so we'll get to that. Hey, Ty, just got $2 raise and 6K bonus. Nice, dude. More money to YOLO. Totally kidding. Half kidding. Federal Reserve has raised 4.5% since March. And labor market remains strong. All right, so thank you for that, Mark. Yeah, I do have an article for that, so we'll get to all that. But you probably did a better job than the article, actually. You need FD? You don't need FD, but go ahead, dude. All right. Cool. So once again, guys, today we have 3 articles. One about Logan Paul, one about Binance, and one about the jobs reports. So this shouldn't take too long. Let's do it. First one, Logan Paul faces rug pull, class action lawsuit over CryptoZoo NFTs. The online influencer faces accusations that he helped to raise funds for an animal-themed NFT game that never existed. All right, so this is pretty popular. You know, CoffeeZilla, big YouTuber, did a whole thing on this. And I guess it got the attention of the authorities now. So yeah, Logan Paul had this game called CryptoZoo, which was kind of like Pokemon, I guess. You raise little monsters and you hatch them from eggs and stuff. And then you can trade them. So the District Court of the Western District of Texas. So yeah, he's getting sued by the government. Oh man. Yeah, not good for Logan Paul. Not good for Logan Paul. And then he yeah, so CoffeeZilla called him out, and then he came out and he defended himself and said, you know, they're still trying to launch the game, and he's trying to pay people back. Really trying to save face. Anyway, so yeah. Now he's getting sued by Texas. So who knows how this game is gonna go. If they're gonna finish it or what, but as of right now, it's a scam and he's getting sued. So hasn't been good for Logan Paul lately. And I really don't care. I have a hard time believing the guy. You know, he's only saying he's defending himself now because he has to, but the guy has a shitty history of, you know, crypto rug pulls, so I don't think he cares about his fans. He only is responding because CoffeeZilla. Anyway. So yeah, I hope everyone gets the money back, or as much as they can, and the victims get justice. All right, next one. Binance re-enters South Korea with GoPax exchange. With the new capital, Binance plans to enable customer withdrawals and interest payments for GoPax's yield product GoFi. All right, so I mean that's pretty much it. Yeah, Binance going back to South Korea, so they bought GoPax. I've never heard of that. Anyway, not much news there. But yeah, Binance, I guess they were in South Korea, but they pulled out, and now they're back in because they bought GoPax. And yeah, so the monopoly gets bigger. They're taking over the world. Is that guy KO Mayweather? I think his brother fought Mayweather, or was it him? No, he definitely did not KO Mayweather. All right, and the big piece of news today, jobs reports. All right, decades low unemployment rate is welcome news for Biden ahead of State of the Union. Friday's jobs report showed the strongest payroll gain since July, a positive sign for the economy entering the new year. The last time the unemployment rate was that low was May 1969. Nice. President Joe Biden said, speaking from the White House, the report is welcome news for Biden before his State of the Union address, where he looks to do a victory lap for his handling of the economy and urges Congress to stay the course. All right. So, Mark already did a pretty good job at giving us the data here. But, yeah. So, lowest rate in 54 years, unemployment rate. Yeah, the economy does look strong. I'm not going to lie. It's just really weird. So, unemployment rate down to 3.4%. Better than the 3.6% economists expected. Non-farm payrolls went up 500K, far exceeding the 200K expectation. Leisure and hospitality added 130K jobs. And professional business services, government, and healthcare also positive gains. So yeah, job market strong, inflation going down. The economy does look strong, and I do believe we are coming out of a recession. So yes, very good job numbers, and as a result, the market is a bloodbath. Yep, makes sense, right? Nothing makes sense nowadays. So, what is bullish is bearish. What is bearish is bullish. Who knows yeah. Anything can happen. Bullish news, market pumps. Bullish news, market tanks. Bearish news, market pumps. Bearish news, market tanks. Take a pick. Anyway, so, yeah, jobs report today. Good stuff. But for whatever reason, the market's down. All right, cool. So, that's all the news for today. Let me pull up the Yolos, and then so we're going to do some quick TA today. There's really not too much. There's only, I think we're going to do RSLS, and then a few from you guys, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. Time is it? 4:56. All right. So I guess we caught up, doing decently on time now. All right, back to Rainbow Bearing. ELYS still up there. Cal still up there. JZXN is still up there as well. That's it. Okay, so we will. Let's see here. All right, so we're gonna do. We're gonna do RSLS. And then Mullen, and let me see what else you guys wanted me to look at. Put in the chat right now what you guys want me to look at. So we already did SMMT. All right, Tesla. All right, so Tesla and Mullen. RSLS, Tesla, Mullen. Okay. Mullen, Boyle? Sure. All right, so pretty straightforward here. RSLS. Yeah, so this was mooning on news yesterday. I actually forgot what the news was, but it was mooning on news. Hold on a sec, guys. Yeah, I just hit mute for a second. I low-key just ripped one. Maybe I shouldn't have hit mute. That would have been hilarious. I don't think you guys wanted to hear that. All right. Woo, smelly. All right. Back to this. RSLS. You know when you think your own fart smell? You know it smells. All right. So I don't know what the news was here. Oh, withdrawal of registration offering. All right, so they pulled their offering, mooned up to 22. Anyway, so 75 RSI, overbought, overvalued. Definitely squeezing here today. Massive volume, 11.5%. second biggest volume day of the year after the squeeze the other day. Cup and handle at around 23, bearish. RSI bearish, gap up at 6.7, 670. So this should come back down to 670 to fill that gap at some point in the short term. Aftermarket action bearish, pulling back. And MACD is bullish as of right now, but that's a lagging indicator. So, yeah, so tons of bearish indicators. Cup and handle, gap up, RSI, aftermarket action. Only bullish indicator is the MACD. So this looks extremely bearish to me in the short term. I'm already in here on the short side at 17.25 and not looking to cover till 8 or whenever the price action slows down. But yeah, so squeezed on, good PR, but due for some massive pullback here. So I don't recommend going long here. That'd be FOMO. Probably going to get burned and appears to be... Well, 17 is a good short. I don't know about 13 now, but 17 was good short. And 13 is still probably a good short, but not... You missed a lot of tendies downside potential already. So there's a RSLS. Very bearish looking. I'm going to say short... I can't say long-term. I really don't know. Probably long-term bearish, too, because this seems like a pump and dump. But definitely short-term bearish and probably long-term bearish as well. Okay, and then Mullen and Boyle and Tesla. All right, so Tesla. So personally, I would never short a blue chip value stock like this. Oh, excuse me. This is not Tesla. This is Mullen. No, big difference. Big difference. All right, Mullen. Okay. Is this a gap here? No gaps. Oh, there is a gap. Okay. So, not sure why this went up so much today. Yeah, not sure why this went up so much today, but there is a gap up here at 36. Yeah, 36. So, this should pull back down to at least 36 to fill that gap before this goes to the upside again. Well, actually, no. This should pull back down to 36 at some point in the short term, I would say. But this may run up to 48 in the short term to complete the cup. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to say short term bearish, but this may come up to 48 in the short term. But I think at some point it's going to pull back down to 36. So that's about 10% downside. So maybe consider selling here and rebuying at 36. Not financial advice, or you can just hold through it. But yeah, long term, really can't say because this is a growth stock. Personally, I think it's kind of trash, this company, fundamentally, but that's just my opinion. So long term, I'm bearish on this stock. And this is a meme stock, so you got to trade it accordingly. You know, with meme stocks, you don't long term buy and hold them. You buy low, you wait for a squeeze, and you hit the sell button, and you take your tendies. So, this one. Yeah, I would, to be honest, dude, if I were you, I'd sell. But that's just my opinion. I think the stock is pretty trash, and I don't know why it's mooning, but this is a good time to exit. And if, yeah, so short term, may go up to 48, possibly, but I think this is due for a pullback down to at least 36. And longer term bearish. So, yeah, hope that makes sense. I'm going to say short term and long term bearish on this stock. And personally, I'd hit the sell button. Not a bloodbath and lol. Today seemed like a bloodbath to me. I don't know about you, but all right. Nasdaq down 2%, SPY down 1%. It's not a bloodbath. What's a bloodbath then? Everything down 3%. Okay. Today was pretty bad. I don't know. It looked like a bloodbath to me. Boyle. All right, this one's kind of sketch. I'm very familiar with this one. Like I'm convinced this is just made to scam retail long term. The thing keeps going down and down and down, and it just reverse splits. Yeah, I used to be in this like years ago, and I'm quite sure this is an ETN. No, it's an ETF. Trust to Ultra Bloomberg ETF. Yeah, so this is a natural gas. All right, so this is not like official, advice or anything, but yes, I've experienced with this stock. Very shady stuff going on. I don't know what it is, but it just keeps going down and down and down, and then it reverse splits, and then it just like never ending goes down. So I think this is a stock to sucker retail, to be honest. So it was $100 last year, yeah, and right now it's at 26 RSI. So and it's probably just gonna reverse split again. They'll do the same crap. So I definitely would not go long here. If anything, I'd wait for this to moon, because it will at some point. And then short it down. And I just wouldn't even mess with this stock. Because I think not at this price, but I think shorting generally the stock is a good play. But you don't really want to long-term hold a short position, so I would just avoid this one, dude. Based on the TA, just based on the chart, not my opinion, but based on the chart here, it does look bullish. 26 RSI, bottom's not in yet, but looks like it's catching support and looking to reverse pretty soon. Multiple gap downs. Cup and handle. So technically it does look bullish, but in my opinion, fundamentally, it's trash. I would not go long, and shorting, you should be able to make money shorting, but it's not even really worth it in my opinion. So I just avoid this altogether. But technically bullish, fundamentally bearish. And my advice, stay away, both sides. Oil is down because of Fed's bros as Fed pivots, you see utilities flying. That is a factor, but if you zoom out over the whatever, like 10 years, the last 10 years of the stock, you'll see what I'm talking about, dude. I've had experience with this stock. I know people who've had experience with this stock. Nobody made money, right, on the long side. So, again, this is not official TA, but this is just my opinion and my experience with this stock. I'm just telling you guys. I think it's a scam. Okay. And last one, Tesla. Alright, so, yes. I don't ever think shorting a blue chip value stock is a good idea. So personally, I wouldn't do that. But the TA here does look bearish. So do that at your own risk. But yeah, so obviously long-term bullish, Tesla, blue chip value stock. Got a gap down here at 262, so it should come back there at some point. But this is starting to cup and handle at 200. Probably the top there at 200. And the bottoms are around 100, so this should probably pull back to around 150 to form the handle. And there's also a gap. There's multiple gap ups, actually. This is a quadruple gap up. Yeah, so gap ups at 146. 122, triple gap up. And then last one at 114. So, yeah, a lot of bearish stuff going on here. So, not saying it will, but there's a good chance this does pull back down to 114. Looking very bearish right now. So, triple gap up, cup and handle, 72 RSI, overbought, overvalued. And MACD is bullish. And longer term, we got a gap down. So, anyway, I think this is going to pull back to at least 150 in the short term. Possibly even 115. I'm going to say on the higher end, 150. On the lower end, 115. And so I definitely wouldn't go long here. I think you missed a chance. And I just wait for some. I would not go short, although that can pay off. Do that at your own risk. I just hold off, wait for a better price on the long side. I try to get this at a better entry. So short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Don't recommend going long right now. Wait for a better price and don't go short, in my opinion. All right. So that's all the TA. Hope that was helpful to you guys. And looks like still nothing really going on post-market. All right, so we'll come back to that. And let's finish up the show here with the Yolos. All right. Still trying to get filled on HSCS and ELYS. All right, so I'm going to take a drink and we will finish up the Yolos here. So we should be out of here in like 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. So, yeah, about an hour and a half. Thought we'd go shorter today, but a lot of chatting. So appreciate you guys. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right. So to finish up the show, we have 7 Yolos today. I think it's mostly lost corn, to be honest. We have a few memes, gained corn, lost corn, a little bit of everything. Pretty good stuff today. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. So first one by Haunting Merengue, like the Spanish dance. 330. Jim just couldn't let those dirty oil CEOs get away with it. Hope they enjoy their juicy profits while they lasted. Alright, so tweet from Jim Cramer today. You guys know the joke. You know, inverse Jim Cramer. Not literally, but he tends to be wrong. So, yeah, so he tweeted today, with this level of employment, it is time to start buying the oils. I'm not really sure how good employment equals oil moon, but okay. So if Jim Cramer says buy oil, you guys might want to short oil. Not financial advice. Half kidding. But the guy tends to be wrong, so my bet is on oil going good. I'm gonna stay away from it, but yeah. Jim Cramer makes his bold prediction again. We'll see what happens. He thinks oil is gonna moon. GNS a good short now. I guess we could look at it. I would say yes, but careful. All right, by B-Man5252. Sold my 18K shares of RDFN, I think it's Redfin, yesterday. All right, so not even sure what the cost basis or anything is. All he has is his profit here. But yeah, he's up 97.5K, 126% year to date. So, if I remember correctly, Redfin was a biotech that squeezed recently. So yeah, this man is at IBKR, Interactive Brokers, so you know he's a pro. Well, you could assume he's more competent than most apes, or he's not an ape. You can assume that people who use IBKR are financial professionals, for the most part. Or they know what they're doing. They're not apes. They're not total apes. They're actually good at this. So, yeah, pretty risky stuff, but awesome, dude. Yeah, that is quite a gain, and enjoy your attendees. And this wasn't even like that FD. It wasn't an FD. It was shares, not options. So, not sure what made him get into it. Maybe he did some crazy DD, but yeah, congrats on your gains, dude. Really well done, and done correctly. Show him how it's done. All right, next one by My Name is Blank 777. Finally did it. Okay, so in the past month, the guy is up 61K. 5,100%. What the hell? Well, that is quite impressive. Does he say? Oh, it's real estate. I thought it was biotech. I know it was mooting the other day. I swore it was biotech. All right, thanks for correcting me. Either way, the guy's winning. All right, so the guy's meta calls right now. So I don't even know what the guy did. So AMD calls into Meta calls into Apple calls. All right, so he went triple parlay. He went triple parlay on this. I wish he would have showed the plays, but okay. So he says AMD into Meta into Apple. Calls, and more calls. So he triple parlayed it. So this is extremely, extremely unlikely. Do not expect this to happen to you guys. It will not. Very, very low chance. But once in a while, you get some idiot who gets extremely lucky. So this is how you turn $1,000 into $61,000 in a week, in a month. You go super YOLO, super FD, into super FD, into super FD. So, yes, it is possible to turn 1,000 into 60,000 in 1 month. It's just not going to be you. You gotta win 3 lotteries in a row. So, yeah, this is just straight up gambling, and Robinhood Ape got lucky, and Epic gained corn. But, yeah, at this point, dude, chill out. Chill out. Stop doing this. You will lose your money if you keep doing this. This is absurd. This is absurd that it even got to this point. You should be very grateful. And don't be stupid. Just secure your gains. Enjoy your attendees. But I have a feeling how this is going to turn out. He's going to do it again and lose all his money. Happens every time. Anyway, my name is Blank777. Thanks for hosting. Epic gain corn. Very lucky, and in my opinion, chill out. All right, next one by DNS is ins. Swipe right, Tesla calls, SoFi calls, Meta calls. All right, more gain corn. So kind of the same thing. Past month, not as good as the last guy, but past month the guy made 60K. So 12K into 60K, 517% gain. All right. So again, FDs into more FDs, triple parlay, and straight up luck. Straight up luck. There's no skill, no thought to this. This is just gamble, YOLO. Hey, I got lucky. I'm a genius. Tim, how did they do Super Saiyan FD? What they don't show you is the times they lost. That's what they don't show you. Anyway, so yeah, same thing. Apes being dumb and getting lucky. So not as epic as the last guy, but yeah, that's how you turn 12K into 60K in a month. But 1K into 60K is a lot more epic. Anyway, so yeah, same thing. DNS is ins. Thanks for posting. You are not a genius. This is luck. So be grateful. And yes, I recommend you not do this anymore. Secure the gains. Chill out. Enjoy your attendees. Next posting. Epic gain core. Alright, 3 more. By Stony Frog, 89. I finally have some gains worth screenshotting. So we have a Europor here. So he made 7,400 on Tesla here, 53%, and then 6,500 on Netflix, 95% here. So 13K gain today, not bad, not bad. I don't even know what he did, to be honest. I'm guessing there were options, but I don't know how to read this European thing here. Whatever. Anyway, Epic Gain Corn, thanks for posting. Enjoy your European tendies. I hear a fire truck, so my apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. All right, two more by B Wang 29. So we're into the lost corn now. Bought puts on Apple and calls on Ford, Google, and Amazon yesterday. Got all four wrong. All right, so the guy doesn't say how much money he lost, but yeah. So all earnings plays and 0 for 4. I actually want to know how much money he lost here, but he is, all his money's gone.
And it's...
Oh, that was not that good. Wow, this siren is loud. Try one more time.
And it's gone.
There we go. All right, so is there comments? Nope. Anyway, so yes. Moral of the story is Inverse the Apes, and you'll probably win. That's impressive. 0 for 4. Why would you buy puts on Apple? If anything, I would have bought calls on Apple, Google, and Amazon, and puts on Ford. Yeah. So I would have went 2 for 4 here. Anyway, not sure how much money he lost, but he's 0 for 4 here. And probably lost a decent amount of money. Last one. By Nokia to the moon. Not anymore. Make it make sense, damn it. Alright. So, alright, we got FD here. Bought today. Expires Monday. 411 put. SPY. 140 contracts. And the break even is 4. Yeah, I already said that. 411. Or strike is 411. So, yeah. 16K YOLO. 16.5K YOLO. And he's down 9.5K. But this was 6 hours ago. And SPY is 412 now, so what is this worth now? For 11 puts, 117 and 40% chance. Okay. So actually, he's about break even now. He's about break even. Average cost is 119. It's worth 117 now, so he's a little bit down. So that's good. At least he's not down 9.5K anymore. Anyway, so one more day to go. Monday. So yeah, Monday's gonna either make or break you. You know, honestly, I'd probably just hit the sell button and walk away with a small loss here rather than stress myself out on Monday. It's either gonna go really good or really bad. So I just hit the sell button. But this is a, Robinhood ape here, and you already know what's going to happen. Diamond hands, tendies or wendies. So, Nokia to the moon. Thanks posting. Yeah, pretty rough, but good way to close the day. And you're about break even now, so, I think you should hit the sell button. Live another day, but no matter what happens, please post updates. Want to see how it goes. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Okay. So that's all the... Oops, wrong button. That's all the YOLOs for today. Well, Apple missed and still boons. WTF is wrong with people and the market. It's highly irrational. It doesn't matter what the earnings are. It could be good. Market moons. Could be bad. Stock tanks. or it could be good market stock moons, could be bad stock moons, could be bad stock tanks, could be bad stock moons. Hey, nothing makes sense. Highly, highly irrational. So, don't know what to tell you. That's how it's going. That's how it's been. All right, last order of business. One more scan, and then let's get out of here. So, 5:24. So, we're right on time here. All right, ELYS still up there, still not filled. Yeah, that's it. It's just Cal and ELYS and JZXN and what was this? Pano? Pano? What's that? Pano? Oh, I guess it's a SPAC. Anyway. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. If anything happens later tonight, I'll put it on Discord. But yeah, guys, so not a great way to end the week, but you know, pretty strong week. I made money today, so certainly not complaining. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the show. So I will. Yeah, so have a great weekend, everybody. We'll be back here on Monday. Yes, Monday. So, yep. I did pretty good today. Hope you guys did pretty good. And pretty good for the week. Bull market coming back. Let's get these tendies, guys. All the major players missed their EPS. Yeah. And you can't go off earnings based on which way the stock is going to go. You buy call or you buy put, and then you go, you know, coin flip. And the jobs came in hot. There's so much BS in the market. Yeah, total BS. But after you do this for a while, you realize that BS is the norm, and just expect BS because the market is highly irrational, and a lot of times you can't make sense of anything. And there's no point in making sense of anything. Just go get your money. All right, thanks, Mark. So yeah, guys, appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button before you get out of here. And that's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for joining the show today. So catch you guys back here on Monday. Cool. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.